Hello guys, this is Aryan. In this video I'll tell you 10 lines essay about my favorite teacher. Number 1. My favorite teacher is Priya Sen. Number 2. She is my English teacher. Number 3. I love her teaching style. Number 4. She explains the subject in a very easy way. Number 5. She is very friendly. Number 6. She encourages us to study well. Number 7. She is always on time for class. Number 8. She is kind and loving to all the students. Number 9. I am very lucky to have her as my teacher. Number 10. I will always be grateful for her guidance. So guys, thanks for watching the video. If you like the video, kindly subscribe the channel and stay tuned. Thank you.